Hi sweets, how you guys doing? So going to country today, going to Ochi, heading to Melia, Braco with my girlies. They ain't in the car yet because we're meeting Glenna there and Marian is coming outside of our house. So I overslept and so we're late AF. But you know I was late, but I had to, it feels me like we had to do it for the vlog. Marian!
I never know say.
I figured you would have since you were waiting for hours.
Well, I did other things.
You know, like adult things. Understood. Oh, sorry. Yeah, so we were supposed to get there at 9. And I woke up at 8:30. Like, I'm full of shit. My alarm did not go off.
Let me go for my makeup bag.
Do that no boo. Make sure you bring your eyebrows. So, yeah. So we're heading to Melia, Braco. I'm starving. 1, 2. I'm tired. 3. So we're back. We just came off the toll. Me and Marian were having some life discussions. We always end up doing this, you know.
True.
Marian is preparing the face. She literally did her eyebrows for like half an hour. But I understand because we be driving and we be speeding and shit. So, you know. So I'm driving. Like, this isn't even safe. So, I just wanted to, you know, give you guys a timestamp for where we are.
Work is calling.
Ugh. I don't know why you have your work phone. She's so dedicated. We're here! We're good! Good! Marian's face is finally done.
Almost.
You know done?
No.
Damn! So yeah, I don't know where Glenna is yet, so.
You know she has speed up come.
So we just checked in. This is the place.
We're just checking in because we always are forever late.
Are you okay?
I'm tired.
But it don't look like you would already, even if we come on time. And then what?
When I heard that you guys were late, I started doing something else, and then one thing led to another, and here I am.
But here I am.
So I'm need a mature word fun.
I feel very attacked.
Relax.
Damn.
So let's go find something.
Yes. So I basically literally just got salad and like chicken because I didn't see anything that I really wanted. Of course Marian got rice because it's Marian. I use a rice boo. I Glenna with her stush plate.
I'm just rice.
So I ordered coconut water and reserve, and look at this surprise. I got a whole ass coconut and a shot of rum. Lady was like, "Is this enough rum for you?" I'm like, yes it is. Huh?
When is the ketchup equipment?
But I eat the jelly, but not lie. We'll see how it's going. Cool also. Alright, time for the rum. That's so nice. Alright, I'm not obvious science yet. Hold this, Marian. Get that rum. Get that rum. Show him how it's done. No, you can't find it. You done my money.
Why Cleonia behaves so?
You done my money.
Wow. You got that here?
She done me.
YHI. Thank you.
Yee. Sino no? Bring her back.
It was at this moment he knew. He fucked up.
Say God no. For true. Alright.
Alright.
Hi.
When I think about it, I do need her. Because in this envelope was supposed to be
A message.
a message to you to say you need to go do your spa treatment, but I took up the wrong envelope. Happy birthday. Go to the people.
Yes.
Frightened me. You're take up the envelope, miss.
Massive. No, when I saw you with the envelope, I go, envelope you go.
No, but I want the envelope. Somebody have a photo of Maria somewhere. That's the sad part.
That's not regular.
A very stressed out looking photo.
You know, one way so say you need a massage.
Exactly. Because I said you look stressed. Don't get a spa treatment. Never get it.
Spa treatment.
I can't bother. No. No. How? Oh God. I'm scared. If the bowl get empty, me gonna lose my shit. Glenna, if one of the bowl them empty out, me gonna lose my mind. Watch it, watch it.
I'm gonna end this up here.
If him put them back and it still full, me I go shit myself.
Come in, fun.
I don't be story this. I don't be story with just watch Glenna. So Marianne's spa treatment feels like it was 10 hours long. I know she not come out. So
It's on to the bar. She don't drink, so she's not missing anything.
So we had too much ice cream. Too much. But it was so So now we'll get some ramen now we system.
Alright, lady.
We're good. Can I say no? Can you make me something nice? Come here. No vodka. You just build me somewhere right away. No. What's in it?
Coconut. You like coconut rum?
No. But that's okay.
You said no vodka, so.
Yeah, but coconut rum isn't even real rum.
You wanted a bitch ass drink.
No bad. It's good, it's good, it's good. Yeah, but if it's creamy.
No, but like, it's not much on everybody.
No, yeah, this one's $0. Yeah, we'll see.
I'm ready for the word.
Yeah, ready for your.
Jamaica. Kingston.
Mama, we will look for you.
We adults. Hello, goods.
Want your rum, Bruce?
I wrote touch everybody.
Oh my goodness. Nice. My body went snap to the cup. And I'm gonna drink that at the end. Oh, that's
Oh, happy birthday, Marianne. I mean,
I really think someone down here.
the things we do for photographs. The things we do to make it not a secret. Photo shoot fresh, I'm about to call the paparazzi out myself. Yeah, 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 goody, yeah. Oh man, that It's terrible. I'm afraid for you, Marianne. You go wet up. You go wet up. You go wet up. Why? So one day I dilly-dally and I take picture and Marianne flippers blew away. She catch it. Okay, so the rain finally stopped falling. Like, we've literally done nothing except eat here and take photos. Glenna almost drowned. Marianne lost her shoes.
I got it back.
But she catch it back.
Don't walk in that tree.
You see the tree? Imagine you're up on the pier, I take picture and then boom, your slippers fly away. Hold them there. Marianne just teach me how to fling my shoulder.
Fling it with them.
Oh, no, I go stop me now. Marianne, make somebody play the song.
Tell her shoulder for your friend. Tell her shoulder for your friend. Watch your words to a speak and a talk with your bad man. Friend, man shoulder for your friend. In a me chain bling bling. Bad mind is a sin. Unity we a deal. Dancers Philip gooder than another. If you fight that, me picking out a feather. Don't bad if you not like that. Hold them there, hold them there, hold them there. Hold them there fully back, so hold them there. Hold them there, hold them there, hold them there, hold them there.
They ever fling my shoulder? Me a big dancer. When me go out, me actually want to go just so me can fling my shoulder. Oh my God. So me go tell them the secret because you know say we can't keep the wealth to ourselves. I want the wealth I want to fling on the shoulder.
I can't.
Because why am I tired?
I got you. I got you.
You never did a fling so
Come. Fling your shoulder tutorial.
Part one.
First things first.
Catch the groove. Catch the groove. The groove. Then listen to the beat. So when him say fling, and when you drop it, ready? So for fling, you take it from the back. So normally everybody would try to fling the actual shoulder. So you end up doing this.
And that's
it. You understand? So you have to use all your back and you go fling, blood clot, it work. Fling, blood clot, and shoulder for your fling. So you're not doing this, you're doing this. Blood and they gonna stop me now. Y'all gonna fling these shoulders?
No. Somebody please come carry go and dance.
No, I'm have to go.
Carry her to a dance, please.
Someone needs saving.
Some people stand in the darkness, afraid to step into the light. Some people need to help somebody when the edge of surrender's inside. Don't you worry, it's gonna be alright. 'Cause I'm always ready, I won't let you know.
All in a hard day's work.
Alright guys, so we've reached the end of Ain't No Secret Part 2. But that don't sound cute, so we go still ain't no secret, bitch.
Part 2.
Alright.
Relaxation.
Hey.
I'm tired.
Alright guys, really hope you enjoyed watching this video. If you did, be sure to
Subscribe.
no, yeah, be sure to hit the like button. Let's do that again. Be sure to
Hit the like button.
and if you're not subscribed to my channel already, then
Subscribe.
thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next upload. Bye.